Hey Wales, good morning. It is almost lunchtime here. It's 11:53 a.m. and I took my first trade of the day, shorting the S&P 500. The reason why I took this short, a few main reasons, right? I mean, you can see that we're super overextended. Pre-market, we had this large CPI candle here, and ultimately, since that news, right, we started trekking higher and higher and higher. And ultimately, we have a little bit of resistance that started to form at this level, came down, and now we finally got that bullish or bearish divergence that I was looking for, right? So that's typically a wave 3 and a wave 5 that gets put in. You can see on the RSI indicator as well, huge bearish divergence on the 5-minute time frame. This pivot here looks like it's going to give up soon. So if that's the case, this uptrend has officially been broken just on the 5-minute time frame, right? The overall structure is still extremely bullish, but just for this quick scalp for today, this should be breaking very soon. So stayed patient, got a great entry. So let's see if I can make a few $1,000 here, maybe close to 5,905. So essentially, I basically took the fib retracement levels. We're at 382, right? This is going to be extremely hard to break through on the first try at the 5911, but we're looking at maybe 590575 as the order. I might put it up just a little bit so I can get filled. Help me get in here and win, right? Hey, Wales. So it looks like there's some movement here, and we're hoping for this to essentially drop to my targets at 5905. It's very tough to get past this 382 level, guys. Very tough on an uptrend. But again, I see bearish divergence. I see a liquidity grab here. We're closed as a bearish candle underneath, right, this high. So it looks like a potential for a shift within this uptrend to a potential, short-term downtrend. Again, market's still extremely bullish. So this is going to be a very quick scalp down to 5906. This is probably my only trade for today, and hoping I can get maybe 2K, 2.5K here and get filled. So we're starting to creep down a little bit. All right, starting to look good. This looks more bearish than bullish at this point. And you guys can see as well on the 1-minute time frame, we did break that trend line. So that's a great sign. So let's see if we can get one large bearish candle coming and get this filled. So we just need to close below this. It's starting to come in. Up 2K. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit. There we go. And let's get filled. Bulls are really strong on this one. It's still holding just a little bit longer. We are at some major support zones here. Still waiting here. So we did close underneath. It might come back up and try again. So let's see if we can close just below. Just one more flush, guys. One more flush. Making lower lows here. Almost there. Doesn't want to come down just yet. Everything pointing down to the 618 level and the 1-to-1 extension. Just staying patient here. Take some retracement levels. We're front running the 618. There is a huge support all across here. That's why it's a little bit difficult right now for the bears, but just staying patient here because everything is pointing down a little bit lower. Everything's pointing down here. So I'm front running the algos to get filled. Up 2.3K, 2.4K, let's see. We're still in this downtrend on the 1 minute. Boom. There we go, guys. 2.6K for today. Done trading. That was it. Talk to you guys soon.